The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stevenson, or near Bridgeport, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Higdon, Sulphur Springs, Eder, and Long Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Alabama and Middle Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: DeKalb and Jackson,